Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and your family too. Okay, this is your pupil book, a grammar book, and today we are starting our new unit number 3, which is adjectives. Okay, as you all know that adjectives are the words that describes the quality of a noun, like a person, place, animal or thing. Okay, like for example, big hall, round ball, soft pillow, loud music, etc. In all these examples, big, round, soft and loud are adjectives. Okay, sometimes we use adjective to describe the difference between two things. Okay, an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. There are three types of comparisons. Okay, first the positive adjective, second comparative adjectives, and the third is superlative adjectives. Okay, now what is a positive adjective? A positive adjective is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. Okay, for example, these are the simple noun like a tall tower. So tall is a simple adjective, positive adjective. Okay, next is comparative. Comparative adjective used to describe the difference between two things, two objects or places or people. Okay, compared to positive adjective. For example, tall is a positive adjective and taller is a comparative adjective. Okay, because here it differentiate between, it shows the difference between two things, like this is a tall but this tower is taller than this, so difference is here. So taller is a comparative degree. Okay, some more examples are also there, like a small flower. Small is a simple positive adjective, but smaller flower is a comparative degree, comparative adjective. Okay, like this small flower, smaller flower and the smallest flower. Okay, and then superlative adjective. Superlative adjective used to describe the difference between three or more things, objects, people, etc. For example, biggest house, smallest flower. So here smallest and biggest are superlative adjectives, like this. Now it shows the difference between three, like this is a small flower, smaller flower and this is the smallest flower. Okay, so remember that to use comparative and superlative adjective, follow some rules. Okay, number 1, here it is, we add er and est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants and we double the last letter, like hotter. In this we double the last letter and it ends on the consonant, so we double the last letter T, H O double T E R, we add er at the end, so it is hotter. The next is flat, it also ends on the consonant T and we double the last letter T, like FLAT flat, FLATTER flatter. Okay, the next is number 2 rule. Okay, when simple adjectives words ends in E, we add only R or ST to the adjectives, like whenever any word ends in E, like a safe, SAFE, it ends on vowel and E, so we add just R after it, like safe, safer. Large word, LARGE, it also ends on E, so we just add R after it. So it becomes larger. Okay. The third rule is when the simple adjective words ends in y, we change the y into I and add IER and IEST at the end. Like we change, like a merry word, MERRY, it ends on Y. So we remove Y from the end and add I, replace I over here, like marry, merrier, and we add IER at the last. The next word is windy, WINDY, we replace Y to I and add ER in it. Okay, so it is windier. This is exercise for you. Copy the sentences, change the adjectives in brackets to a superlative adjective. Now, the building is the high in town. Now, what is the superlative adjective of high? It is highest. HIGHEST, highest. Okay. The next is that is the bright star in the sky. Now, bright, what is the superlative adjective of bright? Brightest. BRIGHTEST. Okay. The next word is, the next sentence is Kim is the young girl in the class. The superlative adjective of young is youngest. The next is Tuesday was the cold day last week. Cold, what is the superlative adjective of cold? Coldest. Strong, this is the strong rope as we sell. What is the superlative adjective of strong? This is strongest. We just add EST after all these. Okay. The next page is page number 11. Here write these headings, comparative and superlative. Okay. Make each of these adjectives into a comparative adjective and a superlative adjective under the correct heading. Now, what you will do? You will make 3 columns on your notebook. First is positive, second is comparative, and the third one is superlative. 3 columns are there. Now, first word is cloudy. This is a positive adjective. First you write cloudy in the positive column, then make its comparative and superlative, like it ends on the word Y. So what you will do now? Replace Y into I, then add ER after it. Okay, so it becomes CLOUDIER, cloudier. Okay, and in the superlative degree we add CLOUDIEST, cloudiest. Okay. Now the second word is brave. Now it ends on E, so we just add R after it, like BRAVER. We write brave in the positive column and its comparative. In comparative column we write BRAVER, braver, and in the superlative column we write BRAVEST, bravest. Okay. The next word is fat, FAT, fat. Now it ends on the word consonant because T is a consonant. So we double the last letter. So it becomes FATTER, fatter, and the superlative adjective is FATTEST, fattest. Okay. The next word is spooky. Again, we cut this last word Y and replace it from I. So here we write SPOOKIER, spookier, and the superlative adjective is spookier, spookiest. Okay, SPOOKIEST. Next is wise. It again ends on E. We just add R in comparative and est in superlative. Then the last one is red. It again ends on the consonant. We double the last letter in comparative degree as a redder, and in superlative adjective we write it as reddest. I'll show you that how you make 3 columns and write its comparative and superlative degree like this. Okay, first you make 3 column: positive adjective, comparative adjective, superlative adjective. Then you write these words in positive adjective like cloudy, brave, fat, spooky, wise and red. Then write its comparative adjective: cloudier, braver, fatter, spookier, wiser, redder. Then write its superlative adjective like cloudiest, bravest, fattest, spookiest, wisest and reddest. Okay, this is about the option A. Now see the B. Use these superlative adjective sentences of your own. There are some superlative adjectives like plainest, dullest, largest, lowest, wettest and sharpest. Okay, and then its simple and positive adjectives are plain, dull, large, low, wet and sharp. Okay, these are superlative adjectives. So you make sentences of these superlative adjectives in your notebook. Okay, the next is extension. A few adjectives change completely in their comparative and superlative forms. Okay, now there are some adjectives that do not form the comparative and superlative from their positive. Okay, they just change, totally change in the sense of comparative and superlative. Like the adjective is bad. No, now it is not a badder or baddest. It is, its comparative is worse and superlative is rust. Okay, adjective is good. Now it is not a gooder and goodest. No, its comparative is better and superlative is best. Little, less and the superlative is least. Adjective is much. The comparative of much is more and superlative is most. Many, more, most. Some, more, most. The comparative and superlative of some, many and much are same. Okay. Now choose the correct adjective to complete each sentences. First is, this is the better, best birthday party ever. Now there are 2 options. Which is the correct options? Best. This is the best birthday party ever. Second is, you can get most water in this jug than that one. Okay, now 2 options are there. Which one is correct? You can get more water in this jug than that one. Circle the adjective more. In this third sentence, this is the worst rust day of the holiday. This is the rust day of holiday. I have many more sums to do than you. I have many sums to do than you. Okay. Read this table and with carefully. Okay. Now your next